In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an infographic using Canva. Infographics are a powerful way to present information visually, making complex data easier to understand and more engaging for your audience. Whether you're a student, content creator, or marketer, Canva makes it easy to craft professional infographics quickly and efficiently. Start by opening Canva in your web browser. On the homepage, locate the search bar at the top and type infographic. Canva will display hundreds of templates, offering a wide variety of styles from minimalistic designs to colorful, vibrant layouts. Templates are a great starting point because they provide structure and save time compared to designing from scratch. Take a few moments to browse through the options and choose one that fits your content and theme. Once you find a template you like, click on Customize this template. This opens Canva's design interface, where you can start tailoring your infographic. Begin with the text. Click on any text box to type your information. Be concise and clear so your audience can understand the key points quickly. Canva allows you to adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to match your style or brand. Next, customize colors, images, and icons. Click on any element to change its color using Canva's palette. Swap out default images for ones from Canva's extensive library or upload your own. Adding icons and visuals helps illustrate your points and makes the infographic more engaging. Pay attention to layout and spacing. A well-structured infographic guides the viewer eye naturally and keeps information easy to follow. Canva's alignment tools help ensure all elements are evenly spaced and properly aligned. Finally, save your work. Canva allows you to download your infographic as PNG, JPG, or PDF, making it easy to share online, in presentations, or in print. By following these steps, selecting a template, customizing text, colors, images, and layout, you can create a visually appealing infographic in minutes. Canva makes it simple, intuitive, and fun, so you can focus on delivering your message effectively. And there you have it, a complete professional infographic created entirely in Canva, ready to captivate and inform your audience. Happy designing!